follow on from the video released 2 days ago, we're going to look at ordering numbers, but this time including some with some numbers after the decimal point. So let's just write out a few example numbers. Okay, so just like before, we just work left to right, and whichever one is largest in the furthest left column is the biggest number, okay? Because as we move further left, even with a decimal point, the place value for that column is larger, okay? So this 1 here is 1 times 1, whereas this 2 here is like 2 times 1/10, okay? So it's 2 times 0.1, and so on. And this 3 is 3 times 100th, okay? So first of all, we look for the number that's largest furthest left, and that is 5.15. Next up is 4.2. Then we have 2.1. Okay, and now it gets a bit more interesting because all the rest have 1 in the units column. Okay, none of the numbers in the whole list and in the tens column. That's why we consider the units as our largest column. So if they're all the same in this column, we look to the point just after the decimal point. So these two both have 2's. 1.7 has a 7. 7's bigger than 2, so that's 1.7 goes in. Now this is the worst bit of the list, so they both now have 2 in the second column, so we move on to the next one. This has 3, but this has nothing. So what does that mean? Well, it has 0 hundredths, and this is 3 hundredths. 3 hundredths is bigger than 0 hundredths, so we get 1.23, then 1.2 finally. Okay, so this is hopefully a nice and simple topic. Like I say, it is something that comes up on test papers. The other bit that might come up is ordering fractions as well. But other than that, yeah, I think we've covered everything in terms of ordering decimals. We will look at the case where there's fractions involved in the next video, and then we'll move on to something perhaps a little bit more interesting. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.